Welcome to RPOWER Point of Sale. In this quick demo, I'll show you how RPOWER makes speed transactions simple, fast, and efficient. Perfect for bars and high-volume nightclubs. Let's jump right in. Once a bartender logs in the first time, the system remembers them. No need to log in for every transaction. They can just walk up, start ringing items, and when ready, tap the cash button in the top left to close the check instantly. That's speed tendering. Of course, many guests run tabs. To start one, just tap the tab button, swipe their card, and the check is automatically saved under their name. Later, recall it with a single touch on the tab button. Need to add more drinks? Open the check, select new items, or quickly repeat items they already ordered. Tap Done, and the order prints to the bar printer and is stored on their tab. When it's time to pay, accept cash, card, or another tender type. If it's a credit card, RPOWER processes the payment, prints a signature line, and closes the check automatically. In a packed nightclub, bartenders handle dozens of tabs. With the Paychecks button, you don't need to open each one. Select 1, 5, 10, or even 15 checks at once, and close them all instantly to the balance due. You can also print multiple guest checks at once, making it easy to hand them out quickly. RPOWER also helps organize your workflow. The Paychecks view shows all open checks with cards attached. The View Check option shows all open checks with receipts printed. Either way, you always know what's pending. And that's it. A fast, powerful demo of how RPOWER POS keeps bartenders moving in high-volume environments. From instant speed tendering to managing dozens of open tabs, RPOWER is built for speed and simplicity. Thank you for watching this demo. For more, visit us at rpower.com.